Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. In this episode, we'll be looking at the Wen thickness planer. I believe this is the 12.5 inch, not the 13. The model is 6550. This has the 2 blade, not the 3. At the time of this purchase, I believe I bought this for $279. There are moments where it's at $249. But I couldn't, it wasn't that, anywhere near the holiday season. It was just a random month, day, week. So $279 was the price I bought it for. This was on my list versus the Porter-Cable at Lowe's. With the Porter-Cable you can buy at store. With the Wen thickness planer, it has to be special order or order online and pick up at Home Depot. So I'm sure there's parts available in store for the Porter-Cable. This one, everything is straight online. So pick your poison. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. Just give me a seat. And this is over 50 pounds, noted here. This was actually rated the best budget planer out there. So let's see. It's well packaged for sure. 12.5 inch planer, 6550. Let's see. Directions and instructions are well and thoroughly written. Not something you get out of Harbor Freight engine manuals. So that's a good sighting. I'm not familiar with the Wen brand that much, so I was a little skeptical at first, but let's see. So this is what you get. Taking the foam core out. Let me. So I'm guessing this is the body lift the planer. It smells like tire grease. This thing's a monster. Oh, the thing is definitely heavy. All right, so let's unwrap this. Okay, nothing seems broken. Some paint chip right there. It does have this weird smell coming off the product. A very noticeably strong smell. Okay. It's everything. Yeah, there's the scuff right there. Plate. I believe this one has the granite crown on top. I'm not seeing any granite so far. So the I can say it seems to be well built. It's not as flimsy as I would expect from a brand I never heard of. Okay, so never lifted by the crank or roller bar. So I'm guessing it's the roller bar. Always lift using the handles on both sides. So it doesn't seem like it's attached or anything. It's weird how they're saying not to lift this, but it's really attached to the frame. Huh, it's weird. This is the chute. Not sure where it's connected to yet, but there's a lot of grease leaking out, or oil. It's weird. But let's see. How do you where's the crank wheel? This is odd. Do I just pull this out? So the what this come with are screws with a magnet, washer. I wonder if there's a magnet on these. Strange. Not seeing. Ooh, there's a ton of grease in these. There's a granite top right there. A ton of grease in these. That's crazy with the amount of grease that comes with these stuff. Need some napkins real quick. Alright. I don't really see the point of a granite countertop. I mean, granite top. Yeah, it would stay true. But, I don't know. It does add some weight to it. Okay, that works for me. There's a screw. We gotta figure out what those two knobs go to. So that goes here. I'm assuming this is the one tool that serviced everything. This Allen key right here, the blade and whatnot, for it to be this substantial. All right, let me give it one tight down. Okay, so bring this up real quick. This is one revolution equals 1/16 of movement. So that's good to note. So that's a plus. Again, I just grab all the oil real quick. There's a lot of it on this machine. So you guys let me know if the Porter cable has this amount of oil. Is it normal? I'm sure it's the reason why, which I'm not familiar with. I don't think my table saw, well, my table saw did have some grease, but not this much. My miter saw, I don't think I have this much oil on it. So it's very weird. All right, so that's checked. So quick instructions here: turn tool off, unplug tool from power source. Okay, this is just the process to replace the blade. Looks like, okay, so the magnet is for it to pull the blade off. It looks like. So you would need these during the time of replacing the blade. You will hold it up, put the blade in. That's that. And this capper here goes on here, and that's that. So it looks like I forgot the washer for the screw right here. Let me put this back on. So I guess I'm supposed to show you the instructions before doing a unboxing video. But everything seems to be simple. Right in the box, it's ready to go. Nothing too demanding. All right, so again. All right, so I would have to put this in. Boom. All right, that stays there. Magnet. Alright, I guess I gotta find a sandwich bag, put these in, and don't lose these when it comes time to maintain the blade. So, and then it comes to the chute. The chute, I didn't see any clear signs of where to put this. Okay, so there's this right here. that in. There's one above over here. So it's two screws. Screw in. Overall, it seems promising. Again, with the reviews online, several sources saying that this is the best planer out there for your money. Let's plug this tool in and see how it runs. Let me see if there's a blade. It doesn't look like it needs to be tuned. All right, so shoots this way. Let me try some samples real quick. All right, I got some roughed up 2x4s here. Let me double check if there's any screws in here, any nails. Definitely don't want to chip the blade. Let's see if we can get a good finish off of these. All right, no chips. I mean, no nails. Let me bring this down. Oops, wrong way. One and a half, all right. So this is the before and after planing. Now as far as snipe goes, there is some. You can sort of see it right here, and there is some right there. So you're talking about 2 inches. Yeah, about 2 inches in, it will give us snipe, which is weird. Same thing on this side. So but yeah, so you can convert old wood like this into something like this. A regular 2x4, you can just bring the beauty out, and that's what I bought this for. One thing I noticed, that turning this on, there's something loose with this motor. I'm not sure if it's normal or not, but you can check it out here. That may be a bad motor. I'll have to call Wayne up and see what that's all about. Other than that, seems to be worthy.